Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a CATIA software and this design created easily, and how to this design create all process is learn here, and all method is learn step by step, learn easily. And today discuss here a very important lecture, and this design is created easily and clearly. Okay, and okay, this is a multi-section view is drawing here, and also this is isometric view is drawing here, and this plate is design. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and all is a okay, this is a perfect, and how to this design is created easily and clearly. Okay, this is a back side and front side is both is a drawing very nice. Okay, all is perfect. Okay guys, let's start here. This body is design here. Okay, at first select a mechanical design and select a generative sheet metal design, and this is a okay, this is a perfect, and select a XY plane and create select a position sketch is drawing here, and then this is a absolute axis system XY plane is created here, and select here and sweep and reverse vertical is click, and this is a okay, and click any circle is drawing here and mention any dimension. This dimension is 2 to 5 is correct. Okay, this is a 2 to 5 is correct. Okay, this is a exit. Okay, and select a sheet metal parameters. Okay, this is a perfect, and thickness is 1 millimeter and default bend radius is 4 millimeter is correct, and use a wall is this, and direction is inward direction, and click OK, and select a shading with edge without a smoothing edge. Okay, this is correct, and this plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. Okay, and select this face and position a sketch is select here. Okay, this is a correct, and sweep and reverse vertical direction is correct, and okay, this axis is drawing here because some sketch is drawing, and okay, this is a correct, and again select this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and click a center rectangle and drawing this center rectangle is this. Okay, this is a perfect, drawing this body. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, corner is created here. This is a perfect, corner is 8 millimeter is correct, and some distance is this point this, and this distance is 8 millimeter, and again select this distance, and this is a distance is okay, 10 is correct. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and again select this distance between, this is a 65 is correct. Okay, and again select this distance is a okay, this is a 65 is correct. Okay, 70 is also correct, and this is a 70 is also correct. Okay, this is a 6 is better. Okay, all is looking perfect, all is correct. 7 is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, all is perfect, and select a this mirror command is used here, and this is a mirror, this is a correct, and select this axis, and again select a mirror, mirror is this body is select here, and this axis is click. Okay, all is perfect. Okay, and use a this surface stamp is, and click this. Okay, and height is 36 millimeter, and first radius is a 3 and second radius is a 6. Okay, all preview is showing here, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect, but this is a 40 millimeter is correct, and also this is a 7 millimeter is correct, and preview is showing here, this is a correct, and some boundary is okay, this is a all is perfect, and some boundary is created here, then use a this teardrop command is used here, and this length is a 2 millimeter, and also this radius is 2 millimeter is correct, and this is a correct. Okay, preview is showing here, this is a okay. Okay, all is correct, and this select a this shading with material, and click any material is select here, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and click this still, right click and property is select here, and then reflectivity is very high because road. Okay, this is a perfect, and select this. Okay, all body is looking perfect. Okay, all is correct, this is a looking very nice, and this isometric view is select here, and this is a correct. Okay, okay, this is a correct. Okay, guys, all process is learn here, a step by a step is clearly learn here, and all method is a discuss here easily and clearly. And guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. And guys, next project is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.